to hit it, man.
First session was on the wet.
Yup.
And then second session had a because of the oil. Where's your confidence level at?
Decent. I don't know. It seems like the track's dry-ish. Maybe I could put down like a 25, 26 with the half and half. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's send it, guys. Should be fun. Okay, so I definitely popped a turbo intercooler piping. I heard it just blow off, which is great. Hopefully it's not from the J pipe, because that one's a pain in the ass. Hopefully it's just one of the uppers, but we will see. So into pits, and I guess that's in for the session. 22:14 is what it said I could have done optimally. That was fun. I don't know, did a low 22, so cool, good times. Let's go cool the car off. Brake wise, I don't know what everybody else is running. It was pretty dry out there, it felt pretty good, so that was cool. The front, still quite a bit of understeer in the front. Taking some of that compression out of the front I think actually helped, so the rear felt pretty neutral, I think. The front, I might take a little bit more compression out, maybe just go out and run another session in the afternoon, just to kind of get the suspension kind of dialed a little bit more and just kind of play around with it. But overall, I mean, that felt good. 22.7, not a PB. Said I could have done a 22.14. Like I said, a lot of understeer in the front, so yeah, there's that. But yeah, let's go pop this hood and see why we sound how we sound. You know what I mean? Well, I got third place overall. Had a fun time with the intercooler coupler popping off. Took care of that, that's fine. And then had a pinhole leak in the radiator. So fun times. JB Weld to the rescue. I'm hoping it's gonna stay good on the way home. It's been on there like about an hour. Gotta put some more coolant in the radiator. Hopefully we make it home, see what happens. Always fun to distract it, you know?